Wow, I can't believe you guys actually let me join. No! How could this be? What do all of you and Knuckles want from me? Eggman, where's the Master Emerald? I don't know what you're talking about. I never had the Master Emerald. Someone else has. Well, we better get going. See you, Eggman. Not so fast. Gosh, going for all these laboratories sure is insane. Huh? Who are you? Igab to se tefe dana Bagi inan. What? I'm not your sister. Remember it depakse dana oi era oi esrok for. That's not true. Me, Frob Jasper and Takanshibu are the only ones to escape the lab. Lurig tif stel nich lui tif onoi ui sig I lul. Oh, that was an intense fight. I'm glad it's over. Time never ends.